welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Callie and this is my YouTube channel dedicated to all things nails and good vibes. For day 2 of Nailmas, I'll be showing you how to create this super cute and easy gingerbread manicure. So without any further ado, let's get right into the tutorial. It is so festive and really sparkly. To start off, you'll need a light brown or warm brown polish. Optionally, you can add a similar colored shimmer over top. You'll also need a white polish and 3 other colors of your choice. To start off this super cute manicure, I'm going to be using this really pretty brown by Essie. This is kind of a medium warm brown. I think I did some gingerbread nail art last year that was kind of similar to this, and I used a much lighter brown, so it really depends on your preference and your skin tone and whatever kind of color you'd like to wear. This next part is optional, but I think it adds so much to this manicure. The reason that I thought of this design and wanted to do this video was because of a manicure that I wore last year with this really pretty shimmer from the China Glaze Sesame Street Holiday Collection from 2019. I just think this looks like cinnamon sugar. It is so pretty and so unique, so if you have this one, definitely use it, but if you don't, you can totally use any other glitter or shimmer you'd like if you have one that's kind of a neutral tone, or maybe even a copper, but you could totally go with silver or gold depending on whatever kind of color you want to wear. But of course, like I said, this step is completely optional. Next, I'm taking a nail art brush and some white polish, and I'm just creating a squiggle of icing down my nail. So if you don't have a nail art brush, that's totally fine. You can use a toothpick or a bobby pin, or even a dotting tool if you have one of those. This is really simple. You just want to create literally a squiggly line on your nail. It's super simple. You can create some kind of C shapes or an M shape if that helps you visualize it. And this is really simple, and I also really like the minimalist design of this manicure. I think it's really cute, but still really festive. So next I'm taking the 3 colors that I chose, and like I said, these can be whatever you want, and I'm also using my dotting tool for this, but again, you could totally use a toothpick or a bobby pin in place of that, and I'm just creating the sprinkles or gumdrops or whatever kind of candy you think is on the frosting. And you can totally get creative with this if you want to add some peppermint shavings or chocolate chips or whatever kind of things you like to put on your gingerbread cookies or gingerbread houses. This is a really great place to be creative in this design. This next step is also optional, but you can also add a horizontal squiggle to your other nails. You could totally do the same design on all your nails, but I thought it would be fun to change it up and add some different dimension to the manicure, so I decided to add this design to my pointer finger and my pinky, but you could totally do whatever you want. So that is it for this sweet design. Now you'll just want to finish off with top coat to protect this design and keep it on for a while. While we're finishing up this manicure, I have a question of the day for you. Do you like gingerbread cookies? Let me know in the comments down below. I really do, and I'm actually going to be building a gingerbread house tonight, and hopefully I can bake some very soon. I can't wait. Also, if you do happen to recreate this manicure, definitely share it on Instagram with hashtag TSNinspo so I can see and share it with our community. I had a great time coming up with this design today, but this was also part of a huge Christmas nail art collab over on Instagram, so I will be posting that picture and the collage tomorrow, so definitely go check that out if you want to see a bunch of other fun holiday nail art. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll stick around for the next couple days of Nailmas, and I hope you're having a wonderful holiday season, and I will see you again very soon, same nail time, same nail channel. Hope how's the rest of your day. Bye.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree.